This is a bit of a different video. Oh, I forgot to press play. I actually saw this Subscribe logo, so I was going to just talk through how I made this pretty cool looking subscribe button for YouTube background. So in GIMP, we create a 150 by 150 image, because apparently that is the size of the logo, the one that's down the bottom right hand corner on the videos. So I'm just going to add some text to the top, and I'm going to say sub on the top, and then we'll make that as wide as this 150 pixel canvas, I guess it is, isn't it? Then we'll change it to Montserrat, because I think Montserrat's a nice font. If you don't have that, you can actually get it from Google Fonts. It's not that hard. You can just download it from there. I think it's free. And then we just want to change the size of this font so that it's pretty much the whole square. So you may as well use the whole square. And then we want to duplicate this text, and then we can change the bottom to scribe, subscribe. So then the main element of this is the sub, and then underneath it's going to be the same width, but we're going to say scribe underneath. So I think it looks cool because it makes it a bit transparent, and it also does use the transparency so that this will hover over the video and look kind of cool rather than having some full background thing. So it just sits there at the bottom, and all you see is subscribe. And then if you wanted, because we have a little bit of extra space at the bottom, you can then put your channel logo or anything else you want down there, or you could just leave it blank and it will just kind of hover over the video. But yeah, we're just moving the text around a bit, just right to the edge with the sub and the scribe. And I did test changing the opacity on this, but I don't think you need to. So I did one that was around 75%, but then I ended up just putting it back to 100% because YouTube seems to change the transparency itself, so you don't really need it. And because this was a Minecraft related channel, I just put a Minecraft heart on the bottom. And that's pretty much it. All you have to do then is just set it up there. I wouldn't bother with the opacity, and then you just need to file and export in GIMP to a transparent, well, to a PNG, which will then save the transparency. That is it. It looks good, and I'll show you just a little bit of what it looks like on the channel, so you can see it over the top of a video. And it is pretty cool, actually. It looks nice and neat. I think I saw it on someone else's that had done something similar, but I can't remember the exact channel. Anyway, that is it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.